And we are here, Clay Street, just off the corner of Manhattan Avenue, and 2-minute walk to the India stop on the G train. On the other side, we have the staircase to the Long Island City walkway, so you can walk right into Long Island City, walk to the shoreline, Greenpoint, about 4 minutes. Let's go in. You're going to be seeing the duplex here at 79 Clay. Let's go in. So you have a video intercom here in the lobby. We're going to go up one flight here. Okay, here we go. To our second floor duplex. Magnificent entry here. Almost 20-foot ceilings in this space. Space alone right here is almost 500, probably 500 square feet. Just here, we have stainless steel appliances wherever you can see. Double door fridge, roll out freezer, laminate cabinetry for storage, dishwasher, gas range, oven, chiller, island with great storage here. Rolls out all the drawers. Entry closet. Our video intercom here. Fan and lighting. Bedroom 1 right there. Washer dryer. Right now, bedroom 1, which extends about 12 by 14, facing north. Very serene, quiet view. Connected to a walk-through closet with a lot of storage here. About 7 feet long. Connected on this side to the bathroom. Completely tiled, beautifully designed, deep soaking tub. Brings us back out to the main space. We got some under the staircase storage. Every room equipped with HVAC with remote controls. Let's go up. A nice view up here. First landing here we have what's being used as office, which leads us to the second bedroom, about 10.5 by 13, 14. Large closet here with built-ins. Good light up here. And access to the about 45 square feet outside. Balcony here. Quiet. Call rate to see this at 212-602-1137.